Hi, I am Sonia Punin. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the pattern for a clutch bag. This pattern is super simple. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to finish. If you like to see how to make the clutch bag, follow the link below. This pattern will help you make a 35 by 20 centimeters handbag. This is how the pattern looks after it's done. We need a piece of paper that is 56 centimeters long by 30 centimeters wide. This is when you decide how you like your bag to look. Fold first the bottom, that will be the body of the bag, and then fold the top, that will become the flap. Make sure to get it even and straight. This is quite flexible according to how you like the body of the bag to look and how small you like the flap to be. So you're pretty free in this part of the process. Now take a pen and draw a curve on the bottom of the bag. You can eyeball this, or you can use a ball or any lid of a container. This depends on how big you like the curve of your bag to be. I like mine to have a curvy bottom, but if you like and prefer, you can use just a small lid and make your curve. Once it's done, take your paper scissors, then take the paper, fold it in half. This will help us have the two curves exactly the same way. Make sure that it's even and straight, and then cut on the line. Once you open it, you can see how the curves were formed. If you're not so happy with the curves, you can just give it a better shape with the scissors. Now to work in the flap, just do the same thing. Also, this depends on how you like the curve for your flap. I recommend a curve on the flap just because of the look. Then we fold the paper in half again and we're gonna cut it. This, remember, helps us keeping both of the sides the same way. Now with the scissors you can just get the shape of the curve much better, however you prefer it. To achieve the round looking bottom of the bag and to give it more depth, we're going to make some cuts. There's not a lot of science on this. So we take the two sides of the paper, fold it in half, and press it hard with your finger to make a line. Now, using a ruler or a measuring tape, you can measure 1.5 centimeters, or you can also go for 2 centimeters. This depends on how big you like these openings to be. Draw a line from the dot that you just drew to the center, to the line that you mark with your fingers, as you can see in the video. Now take the paper and fold it following the line that you made first with your fingers, and you're gonna be cutting on the line that you just drew. This is gonna keep the triangle the same way in both sides. So when you open it, you can see the triangle the way you like it. If you feel that it's just too small, you can make it bigger, as I did it in the other side. This will just depend on how round you want the bag to be. And now you can see the flaps are also rounded and the bottom is rounded, and this is pretty much it. If you like to watch the video on how to make this pretty clutch bag, follow the link below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me some thumbs up. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook as Sonia Punin. have fun making your project and leave me some comments below. I'll see you next one.